Africa Content TV.
Banana. You have to come on stage now, or you have to cut your cake. After cutting your cake, we'll present you your beautiful gift. This is your gift. This is number 2nd gift. Number 4th and number 3rd is still coming. Yeah? We have to do 40 years on stage.
That's right, one time. That's right. Happy birthday, Alabi. Alabi was you, Alabi Paso. Happy birthday to you. We wish you more life, we wish you more greatness, we wish you many more years on air. Hey yo, hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, at the count of Allah, Alabi is going to bring down the knife. At the count of Allah, you and let's bear this together. Hey, 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 Allah. Happy birthday to you, Alabi. That's right, one time. If you have kids for Alabi, you can bring it forward right now. If you have kids for Alabi, you can bring the kids right now. Presentation of the kids to the bring. Ladies and gentlemen, all up one time. If you're happy, you're honored to be around right now. I present to you the legendary Alabi Pasuma on stage right now, performing tonight. Come on, faith. She won't share in your love. Oh, no. And you are like if it's but I go back in balance here, Bumilo. And no, my worry is somewhat on balance. Dash look the flower. Oh, no. Bumi Obako, ya, Longa, Mama Paso. Oh, no, only coffee go pay. The same is, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we tell people. Pasuma is not what we used to scam at Tipsy Lounge. He's here live and the rest. And the truth about it is he did not come late night, he came before the event. If you love Alabi, Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, please can you put your hands together for him, please? Babao. Eso to don't need to let go long. Just age. Hello, Ajidewe. Eso to don't. And I'll be your molly, or my Yahoo, and I'll be. Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ alágbe tó falágbe ló ń jẹ Ọlọ́run tẹ́ bá ti fáwọn lówó lé ìrọ̀lẹ́ pa o. Oh my goodness God, Alabi, I'm super happy that I saw your interview, one of your interview on social media, and what attracted me was the fact that you said nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó ṣiṣẹ́ fún yín ni pé Ọlọ́run ìgbà ó ń gbà fún yín ní gbogbo ìgbà. Come off it. If you love that, can you put your hands together for Alaji? Alaji. One of the things that is that we don't love Fuji. Alaji Emabinu, I would like Fuji. Ẹ̀yin wo Fuji. Agbára kaka kola fi kọrin tu agbára na kọjá yín ta bàbá àgbà àgbàlagbà àbí tí bá sọ pé Alaji ẹ̀yin lẹ mú wa Fuji. Táwọn dájú wa bá ń play Fuji pé a rò pé nǹkan ṣe wọ́n. You're the only Fuji artist that's giving us that fusion. Ladies and gentlemen, he deserves a round of applause. Can we give it to him? No. Alaji, no keep saying. Alaji Wasiu. Oh no. Tiba Bimo, Mason Wasiu. Oh no. Moti Bimo.
As a day like this, you never go. Oganla.